Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add telecommunication equipment business lead to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever I get new lead for my telecommunication equipment business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can integrate my Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets together. So here this is my Facebook page and it is named as Connect Tag. So this is my Facebook page for my telecommunication equipment business. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. And now I want to manage these leads and I want to keep a record of these leads. So whenever I get new Facebook lead, then I want to capture those lead details and I want to add those lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my telecommunication equipment business, then I want to capture those details and I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for this, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So for that, I will open a new tab and search for Pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add telecommunication equipment business lead to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I will select this home folder and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action say do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instance will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now we'll click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs, first of page and second one is of lead gen form. So for these two details, I will go back to Facebook and this is my Facebook page and it is named as Connect Tag. And for the lead generation form, I will open this menu and in this I will open Meta Business Suite. Now I will go to all tools and in this I will find this instant forms and I'm going to open this. In this instant form, we can see I have this one lead generation form which is named as telecommunication lead form. So I'll open this and we have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. So this is how my form look like. I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and first I have to select my page. So I'm going to open this tab and in this tab you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And I'm going to search for my page, which is Connect Tag. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to select my lead generation form. So I'm going to open this tab and in this I have this form, which is telecommunication lead form. So I'm going to select this. Now I have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now we'll click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a sample submission. And for that, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. And before making the sample submission, I'm going to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So I will go to Metaphor Developer. In this, I'll go to My Apps. I'm going to open Tools. And in this, I will find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And we have these details of page and form. So I'm going to select my page here. So I'll open this tab. And I will search for my page here. So this is my page named as Connect Tag. So I'm going to select this. And my form is Telecommunication Lead Form. Now I'm going to click on Preview Form button. And this is my form. So I'm going to fill dummy details in this form to create a sample submission. So my full name will be Demo User. And I will give an email address. So my email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com. And I will give a random phone number. Now I will click on Next. And I will click on Submit. So I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead in Facebook Lead Ads. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So my full name is Demo User. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. And I have this random phone number. So I got these details of my lead. And now what I want is, I want to keep a record of these details in my Google Sheet. So I have to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this, I'm going to search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And Add New Row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I will sign in with Google. I'm going to click on Allow to give access to my account. So my connection here is successful. Now I have these details to add. Now I have these details and I have to fill all these details. So first I'm going to select my spreadsheet. So for the spreadsheet, I will go to my Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet. And in this, I'm using the spreadsheet which is named as Facebook Leads, and we are using Sheet 1. And I have 3 columns here: full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and I have to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the spreadsheets that you have in your Google Sheet account. So I'm going to select this Facebook Leads that I'm going to use. And here, all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. So we are using Sheet 1 in this, and we have these 3 columns: full name, email, and the phone number. Now I have to fill all these tabs so that I can add details of my lead in my Google Sheets automatically. So for the full name, I'm going to map the details from the response that we got from the Facebook Lead Ads. So I'm going to use mapping here. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook Lead Ads. And here I have this full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map my email address. So I'm going to open this Facebook Lead response. And I have this email address. And now I will map my phone number. So I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this positive response. So I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. And now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have added this new row automatically in my Google Sheet. So the full name is Demo User. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. And we have this random phone number. So these are the same details that we have generated as a lead in our Facebook Lead Ads account. And we have added these details automatically in our Google Sheet. So this was our objective, and our integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now to check this in real time, let's go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this. I will delete this lead and I'm going to preview this form again. And now I'm going to fill dummy details. So my full name will be Test User. email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com and I will give a random phone number. So I have filled my details here. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have generated this new lead. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have automatically added this new row. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is this. So these are the same details that I have just filled in my lead generation form in Metaphor Developer in Facebook Lead Ads, and I have added these details instantly in my Google Sheets. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have created this integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheet such that whenever I'm getting new leads in Facebook Lead Ads for my telecommunication equipment business, then I'm capturing those details of the lead and I'm adding those details automatically in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook Lead Ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application here is Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.